All right, let's talk phone stands. If you're a content creator, you know a good stand isn't just a nice to have. It's essential for getting those perfect shots, hands-free. I've checked out a bunch, and here are my top picks for creators. First up, the TONEOF magnetic selfie stick tripod. This thing goes up to a massive 68 inches, which is fantastic for full-body shots or getting above a crowd. But the real game changer here is the strong magnetic holder. If you have a mag-safe iPhone, it just snaps right on, super secure, and rotates 360 degrees effortlessly. This is a dream for anyone needing serious height and quick setup. Now, if portability is your top priority, you've got to see the OMOTON TPZO2, rotating mag-safe tripod. It's incredibly lightweight, made from durable aluminum, and folds down tiny. It even has this innovative climbing buckle design, so you can literally clip it to your backpack. For creators who are always on the move, traveling, or filming at the gym, this is your go-to for instant setup. Building on that, the OMOTON TPZO2 Pro takes stability to the next level. It features N52 industrial magnets, so it's not just strong, it's seriously strong, and can even stick to metal surfaces like gym equipment or a fridge. Super unique angles there. Plus, with 3-axis control, you get incredibly precise adjustments for framing your shots perfectly. If you film in dynamic environments or need that extra magnetic grip, this is it. Next, for those just starting out or wanting an all-in-one solution, the Yeaki vlogging kit is a game changer. It's a 71-inch selfie stick tripod that comes with a built-in light and a microphone. You get everything you need for better audio and video quality right out of the box. This is perfect for beginners who want to upgrade their setup without buying a bunch of separate accessories. If your content is all about that top-down view, like cooking, crafting, or unboxings, then the overhead camera mount with ring light is a must-have. It's got a super flexible articulating arm that clamps right to your desk, letting you position your phone or even a webcam directly overhead. And with the integrated ring light, your subject is always perfectly lit. Finally, for a really sturdy, versatile option that handles a bit more, check out the Liphisy 64 tripod. It's built from premium aluminum alloy and stainless steel, so it feels rock solid and stable. It reaches 64 inches, has a multi-angle rotating head, and works with both phones and smaller cameras. This is for creators who need a reliable, durable workhorse for a wide range of shooting scenarios. So there you have it, some fantastic options for every type of content creator. All the links are down in the description below if you want to check them out.